Alright guys, the time is finally here. Finally here. I've been waiting on it for like 3 weeks. It's been such a pain. But as you're reading by the title of this video, the new wheels are on the car right now as we speak. If you guys follow me on Instagram at chad.campbell, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen a picture with the wheels on. And let me tell you, they're fire. They are fire. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. I'm gonna show a little bit of what I had to do. I'm not gonna go, there's not really too much to go deep into on it, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that, and just let me tell you, they're fire. They're so fire. But we're gonna go clean the car. I'm gonna meet up with a friend of mine with a GTI you guys are gonna love. I'll probably do a review on it sometime in the future, but I'm gonna meet up with him. We're gonna get some pictures, and I'm gonna walk you guys around and show you guys the new wheels and the new fitment, because it is amazing. So right now we're gonna head up to a place called Ducky's over here in Orange Park to wash the car. I think he's meeting me there, and then we're gonna go from there. So stay tuned to see what these new wheels look like, because flames. Oh, the old dead girl, but she's alive. No seats on there. All right, got the bag. All right, we done pulled up on them. Pulled up on GTI boy. Where you at? You know I keep the cleaning supplies on deck. Before I wash this thing. First reaction, go.
Thick.
Thick? That's your first reaction.
God.
One word reaction. All right, I'll take it. Got this man out here doing slave work. There it goes. Damn. Ooh, cannot see. Look at this GTI though. Huh? The wax. So pretty. So pretty. God, I want. This is like one of the hardest parts of driving a manual car when you wash it, is driving. It's slippery. What do you want? Do it! Come on. Oh, and the puppy. All right.
Hey, that's
you ready? New wheels ready?
What?
You didn't catch on. I haven't showed the video with the new wheels yet. No, that's what I'm about to do now. All right, ready for new wheels? Here it is. Bingo. All right, we're out taking the pictures. And here they are. They look so good. Hold up. Ah, man.
Any suggestions?
You cannot tell me that doesn't look good. Looks so good. So for making this all fit, there's like barely any clearance here. Ooh. And I basically just had to roll right here and right here, because this was already rolled from the past wheels. So as ghetto as this sounds, I took a pry bar, a heat gun, heated this up, took a pry bar, put it on the tire, and just pried this up just a little bit so this will clear. So now this, I didn't do any of this paint shit, by the way. This is previous owner, but this will just tuck straight in there, no problems. And as far as the fronts go, we got some issues. Cause
Really?
it's trying to pop my fender wells out. And even though I cut this, it sits on the tire already. It's been doing that, it's been sitting on the tire. But now every time I hit something, it pops this out. So I'm probably gonna have to take the fender wells out. But look at this camber. Camber, yes sir. I don't know how much I have. I gotta get in alignment still, but. But y'all cannot tell me that does not look amazing on this car. I mean, look at that. And it really makes, the point of it is I wanted it to bring out the green. So now you can't tell that it's green, but you can tell it's at least not black. And it looks fantastic. I gotta go more low because I want to scrape on everything. But it just looks so beautiful. God, it looks so good on the car now. So now I'm not dangerously riding around on a tire. If I get the chance, I'm gonna show y'all the old tires because they were fucked up. Did you ever see the old tires? So whenever I took it to the shop, the old tires had wire hanging out on the side. Like what, the driver's side tire had wire hanging out of it. Hanging out of it. So no telling when that was gonna finally blow, but
Buddy, that's not good.
hey, it is what it is.
It is
But
what it is.
right now, drop a comment. Let me know what you think of these wheels. What do you think of these wheels?
They're pretty badass.
Bingo. You have approval. All right. All right, so that's the new wheels. We're still taking photos, but let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and